Today I am reviewing the HPBS 5000A jump starter with air compressor. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. There is nothing quite as nerve-wracking as walking out to your car after a long workday or in the middle of a freezing winter morning, only to turn the key and hear that dreaded clicking sound of a completely dead battery. In the past, this meant you were entirely dependent on the kindness of strangers with jumper cables or waiting hours for an expensive roadside assistance truck to arrive. However, the HPBS 5000A portable car battery jump starter with an integrated air compressor completely changes the equation for roadside preparedness. This is not just another basic battery booster pack that you toss into your trunk and forget about. It is an absolute powerhouse of a safety device that gives you total independence and peace of mind, combining an incredibly robust engine starter with a high-performance digital tire inflator. The standout feature of this unit is its sheer, raw starting power. Delivering a massive 5,000 peak amps, this device is built to instantly breathe life back into 12-volt vehicles that are completely flat. What makes it particularly impressive is the scope of engines it can handle. It easily supports gasoline engines all the way up to a massive 10.0 liters and diesel engines up to 8.0 liters. This means whether you're driving a compact commuter car, a heavy-duty pickup truck, a large sports utility vehicle, or even a boat, this jump box will handle the load without breaking a sweat. For those extra stubborn situations where a vehicle battery has been drained down to almost zero voltage, the unit features a dedicated reset button that forces the box to deliver maximum output, overriding standard detection to get you moving again. On a single full charge, this battery pack is capable of providing up to 50 jump starts, and it is engineered to operate reliably in extreme weather conditions ranging from a freezing -4 degrees to a scorching 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Beyond its capability to jumpstart heavy engines, the integrated 150 pound per square inch air compressor makes this tool infinitely more useful for daily maintenance than a standard jump box. It is equipped with a higher flow motor that pushes out 30 liters of air per minute, which translates to incredibly fast inflation times. For instance, if you have a standard commuter tire that has dropped a bit low, it can top it up from 29 pound per square inch to 36 pound per square inch in roughly 60 seconds. The digital interface features 4 distinct preset modes and reads out in multiple units including pounds per square inch, kilopascals, bar, and kilograms per square centimeter. This makes it incredibly simple to inflate car tires, motorcycles, bicycles, sports balls, and even inflatable pool gear. You simply set your desired target pressure, and the machine automatically cuts off the moment it reaches that value, meaning you do not have to sit there constantly monitoring a physical dial or worrying about overinflating and damaging your tires. To protect the internal components, the manufacturer wisely recommends letting the compressor rest for 10 minutes after every 10 minutes of continuous pumping, which is a fair trade-off for this level of portable speed. What really elevates this device from a simple emergency tool to an essential road trip companion is its multifunctional configuration. It functions flawlessly as a heavy-duty portable power bank, allowing you to charge up smartphones, tablets, and other USB-powered electronics while you're camping or during a home power outage. It also features a bright integrated LED flashlight with multiple modes, including a standard steady beam for working under the hood in the dark and an emergency distress signal light to alert oncoming traffic if you are stranded on the side of a highway. For many people, the idea of hooking up high-amperage cables to a car battery can be intimidating, but the safety engineering built into this model completely removes that anxiety. It comes packed with 10 comprehensive safety protections that meet stringent international standards. It safeguards you against reverse polarity connections, overcurrent, overvoltage, overloading, and overcharging. If you accidentally attach the smart clamps to the wrong battery terminals, the device will simply beep and flash its indicator lights to alert you of the error rather than throwing dangerous sparks or damaging your vehicle's sensitive electrical systems. This makes it completely foolproof and safe to use even for a novice who has never jumped a car before in their life. The complete package arrives with everything you need to hit the road immediately, including the main unit, the smart jumper cables, a fast-charging USB Type-C cable, a pump tube for specialized air nozzles, an intuitive instruction manual, and a durable storage box to keep everything neatly organized in your trunk or under your seat. To maintain the long-term health of the high-capacity battery, it is best practice to fully charge it when you first receive it, maintain at least a 75% charge when jumping a vehicle, and give it a quick top-up every 2 to 3 months when it is sitting idle. Backed by a generous 24-month warranty and around-the-clock customer support, it represents an incredible investment in self-reliance. It effectively replaces 3 or 4 separate emergency tools with one sleek, rugged, and completely dependable device that ensures you are never truly stuck on the road again.